भारत में भले ही आर्थिक मंदी चल रही है, लेकिन कॉर्पोरेट सेक्टर में इंटीरियर डिजाइन करने वाली कंपनीज की संख्या तेजी से बढ़ रही है। यह है कॉर्पोरेट इंटीरियर डिजाइन कंपनी। बाजार की गलियों में ऐसी कंपनीज को बहुत अहमियत मिल रही है। ऐसी कंपनीज बिजनेस घराने के ऑफिस स्पेसेस को डिजाइन करती हैं और इन्हें इंटीरियर आर्किटेक्चर कहा जा रहा है।
When considering a fit out for any kind of commercial office space, we always make survey of the sites. We understand what are the services that needs to be integrated from in terms of the service perspective of that particular site. Basic thing starts from the client inputs. We try and understand what are the client's requirements. We try and understand what are the company's brand value, what is the intention of the company for going into a big space, and what kind of value it want to showcase in their particular project. We understand a thorough understanding of their brand values, their brand cultures, their brandings and all those things. And when we are designing it all these things, we try and understand how the flow patterns of individual departments and all those things can be integrated to bring out more productivity in terms of space planning and all.
इंटीरियर आर्किटेक्चर कला के साथ साथ विज्ञान भी है। हर व्यावसायिक क्षेत्र की अपनी साख होती है, हर कंपनी की अपनी एक पहचान होती है। ये इंटीरियर आर्किटेक्चर इन सब चीजों को समझते हुए स्पेस मैनेजमेंट करते हुए ऑफिसेज डिजाइन करते हैं। उसी के हिसाब से फर्नीचर चुनते हैं और वर्क स्टेशंस बनाते हैं।
For one of our clients, we serve Mobi there into mobile applications. It's a very young company and growing. We have done more than 3 offices for them. So for that kind of company, we have presented a concept where you don't have any kind of reception area. So any person, any employee or a part of team who wants to enter office, he just opens the door and get into the office. He gets to his desk and all. So that is where you bring a more transparency between your teams and all. You help them to make them more comfortable about the space and all. So that is how we have incorporated that particular concept.
रंगों का चुनाव भी कंपनी की थीम बिजनेस के अनुसार ही होता है।
Color, so even we have tried to use maximum of blue in the entire office. So generally we are promoting the brand colors in the entire office, so it brings some liveliness to the entire office, wherein we also believe some colors as per Vastu is now again a very in interiors, so we have started using colors as per Vastu also in some parts of the interiors. We have started using go green concept. Globalization of go green is very important in today's world. So we have tried to use like LED lights, which is very in. We have tried to use glass, which is give transparency to the entire office.
आज इंटीरियर आर्किटेक्चर से जुड़ी कंपनीज दिन दुगना रात चौगना विकसित हो रही हैं।
People are getting very conscious about this particular field. Earlier, rather than going with a conventional thing, people are always opting to appoint a professional who can give the best of the services to their home. People want decor to be incorporated. It has become as a lifestyle amenity for every one of us. And in coming years, I think this industry will always keep on growing multiple folds, because we see a lot of new brands, new furniture items being introduced in India, and those have also been consumed by the Indian market with, I think, every year 20 to 30% appreciation is there in that particular field also.
इंटीरियर आर्किटेक्चर का बिजनेस इतनी तेजी से बढ़ रहा है कि अब इसमें स्पेशलाइजेशन भी होने लगा है। कोई हॉस्पिटैलिटी में, कोई आईटी में, तो कोई रिटेल में महारत हासिल कर रहा है। सब मिलाकर कहा जा सकता है कि भारतीय यंग इंटीरियर आर्किटेक्चर अपना आसमां खुद डिजाइन कर रहे हैं।